Today we are going to be having the same mess, the same surface, two completely different results because one of them is going to be using fresh water to mop your home and the other one just going to be reusing the same dirty water. This is the traditional mopping method and this is the brand new Dreame Aqua10 Roller AE. Let's go ahead and get started. And we got the mess here. Wow, it's just a mess. It's just literally just spreading it around. Now I have it all over here in the mop. You have to pick those things up by yourself. So I have to wash it, you know? It's done, but it's not there. It's just dirty, very dirty. And it's gonna be very sticky. That's not good. This is the Dreame Aqua10 Roller AE, and instead of just focusing on cleaning, it's designed to manage both how it cleans and how it interacts with different surfaces, and especially when it comes to maintaining clean water and protecting carpets during the process. And right away, the difference is in how it moves, but in how consistent the cleaning looks across the floor, especially in over large areas, because instead of gradually losing effectiveness like most systems, it keeps the same level of performance from start to finish. And this is all possible by a system called the Roller Card. All right, guys, we have everything set up already. And basically how this works, you have the station, you have the robot, and the accessories like the cleaning brush for maintenance, an extra debris filter or basket, and you also have the cleaning solution, the multi-surface cleaning solution for the floor. And the biggest difference comes from the Aqua Roll system, where clean water is constantly being fed into the roller while the dirty water is actively being removed in real time. And inside of the system, there's an internal scraper and a small dirty water box that continuously collects the used water, which frees up the space for fresh water, so the roller is always working with a clean surface instead of reusing what's already dirty. And not only that, it also uses the proprietary Auto Seal Roller Guard, which is the world's first of its kind, and this automatically seals the roller when it detects the carpet, so you're not dragging moisture onto rugs while transitioning between surfaces. And on top of that, you get the 30,000 pascals of suction for strong debris pickup, combined with the dual brush system that prevents the hair from tangling, and the improved edge coverage, so you're not left with the missed spots along the walls and corners. What's also great is that if you have mixed flooring, it starts to transition smoothly between the hard floors and the carpets without needing the manual adjustment, and it can also move through the real home environment, crossing the door tracks, the small thresholds up to 4 centimeters or about 1.57 inches without getting stuck, which makes it much more practical for multi-room cleaning. And after every cleaning, it doesn't just stop there because it uses the heated self-care routine with the high temperature washing to clean and sanitize the roller, which helps remove the buildup and maintain performance over time. And this is something that you can actually see in the maintenance process compared to the standard systems that rely on basic rinsing.
Start charging. Start auto empty.
Now everything that gets picked up returns to the power dock, which handles the water management and overall system maintenance automatically. So instead of manually resetting or cleaning the robot after each use, the system takes care of it in the background, making the whole process a lot smoother and hands-off.
Start cleaning mop pads. Task completed. Please empty the used water tank timely. Start dehydrating mop pads.
Alright guys, so once you're in the app, this is basically the interface. It's going to show you the different products that you may have from Dreame. I love Dreame and their products. And so once you are into the app, all you have to do is just let it map for the first time. And once it does, it's going to give you the map of your apartment, of your house, and you can divide it by room. You can put no-go zones, clean by the room. But other than that, this is the interface from the Dreame and the Aqua10 Roller AE. So if you're looking to get into robot vacuum, so if you want to upgrade your current or beginner one, this one is going to make the most sense if you have mixed flooring, you deal with the daily debris, or you just want more consistent cleaning without having to go back and fix the missed spots manually, especially if you already noticed that traditional mopping systems don't maintain the same level of performance over time. So to recap, both methods technically clean, but they don't clean the same way because one keeps reusing dirty water and requires more manual correction, while the other one manages clean and dirty water separately in real time while also protecting carpets, and that difference shows up in how consistent and reliable the results feel. So if you want to check it out and see the real difference that a freshwater system makes, check out the Dreame Aqua10 Roller AE through the link below. Let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts about it. Would you still consider to use the traditional method or upgrade to a real freshwater system? Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.